Approaches in Psychology AQA, A-Level Psychology. 3.21. Origins of Psychology. Wundt and Introspection. Wilhelm Wundt opened the first psychology lab in 1879, using introspection to study the structure of the mind. This marked the beginning of psychology as a science. Psychology becomes a science. Empirical methods, controlled conditions, and replicability helped establish psychology as a scientific discipline. Behaviorist approach focuses on learning through experience. Pavlov, classical conditioning, Skinner, operant conditioning, positive, negative reinforcement and punishment, social learning theory, learning through observation and imitation, Vander's Bobo doll study, vicarious reinforcement, mediational processes, attention, retention, reproduction, motivation. Cognitive approach studies internal mental processes, uses theoretical and computer models, schema theory, emergence of cognitive neuroscience, fMRI scans. Biological approach explains behavior through biology, genes, brain structures, neurotransmitters, genotype versus phenotypes, evolution and natural selection. Summary, key points. Wundt and introspection, behaviorism and cell-T. Cognitive and biological approaches. Each one of these approaches is like putting on a different pair of glasses. They each explain behavior from a different perspective.